Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle at ProjectionHub, and today I want to show off a fun, new, exciting custom GPT that I just finished building that I think is really useful and is a lot of fun. And it's at ProjectionHub. We specialize in helping small businesses, startups, existing businesses create financial projections, whether that's for business plans, pitch decks, loan applications, you name it. And so a lot of the businesses we work with are in the business planning stage and writing business plans. We do offer a little bit of help with business plans, but our specialty is in the financial projections. And I think that this could be a really helpful free tool to really up the game of business plans for small business owners, because writing a business plan, a good one, can be difficult. It's really time consuming. Maybe you feel like you don't know where to start. What all should you share about your business? And I think this tool will make it really helpful. And so this specific business plan tool is called Roast My Business Plan. And so you will basically upload your business plan and it's going to do a review of it, basically point out the areas that could be used in improvement, some that are good, and then it should offer to help rewrite and improve some of those sections. If you haven't seen already, we do have another video. We have a different custom GPT that I built that will help you write your business plan from scratch. So this one is meant more to be like a review of what you've already done and to try to make it even better. And so if you're starting at square one, go ahead and check out that video. We'll drop the link here so you can check out that, and then you can come back here to this side and get roasted when you're ready. So let's go ahead and try this thing. Let's do an example of it. So I'm gonna say roast my business plan. And let's see what it prompts us to do here. You'll notice that the humor dial is a little bit turned up for this one. So I apologize if it's a little corny, but it's all in good fun. So please upload your business plan or paste it here. So I'm gonna upload a Word doc. I'm not actually sure all the different document types it can take. You can always paste it directly in. I'm gonna upload a Word document. I'm pretty sure it'll take PDFs at least. I don't know if there's a Google Doc compatibility. I'm kind of doubtful on that. Okay, so I am just going to attach this business plan, which is an example business plan of a cleaning business. And I'm gonna upload this, and it should get to work analyzing it. Okay, so while that's analyzing, I figured I'll just show you where that's coming from. We have a number of free business plan templates on our website. I'll link that down in the description below so you can grab one. And what that looks like is a completely filled out fictitious business plan example. So you have the format and a guide on how to fill that out, as well as some key points on how to improve it. And then actually there's a video on each one of these that talk about how to make it lender ready and as good as possible. That video, I think, is linked in, actually it's not linked inside the business plan itself, but if you go inside one of these, it is linked in every one of those. So it's a little bit of a guide. And yeah, so you can go ahead and grab one for your business. I'm just using this free cleaning one. All right, we got a check mark. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's dive into our Pristine Spaces is the name of our business. An executive summary, aiming to set a new benchmark. That's ambitious, like a janitor dreaming of turning a broom into a magic wand. All right, but seriously, focusing on eco-friendliness is a smart move, which is great because that's one of our key components of our business, is focusing on eco-friendliness. So it's cool that's giving us that positive feedback. Objectives, your short-term and long-term goals are clear, but they're as lofty as a skyscraper windows cleaner's daily view. Make sure these are attainable as they are aspirational. Okay, so you can see it sounds like it's going to give us a joke for every one of these points, which maybe that annoys you, but it's a little bit of fun. But it's going to tell you in some that's a good choice, and in some areas where maybe you can focus a little bit more. So it's going to do it in a nice, succinct way. One thing I'll point out is down the financial projection. So ChatGPT and these custom GPTs are really good at writing and doing a lot of that ideating. They're not great at the financial forecasting, numbers creation, or even obviously they can't work in a spreadsheet. And so our recommendation would be leave the narrative writing and review to ChatGPT or even yourself if you have the time to pull that off. And the projections, do that with an expert or in a template or something like that. So you can see here, we do offer free reviews of sets of projections. So if you have one you want us to review, we'll take care of that. I'll give you a quick plug here too. We have over 100 specific industries where we have projection templates for. Here's the cleaning one actually. You just edit these blue tabs with some of this information, just these blue areas. You put in your prices, and it's custom for every industry. And then it's going to output all these helpful charts and graphs and the financial statements that your lender is going to want, your investor is going to want, and will really dial in the projections. That's a tricky part of the business plan. So I'll link this so you can go check out your own projection template. I might even throw a discount code down in the description if you want to check that out. But yeah, and I'll put, of course, the link to this custom GPT so you can go ahead and upload your business plan, get some feedback. And you know what? Just for kicks and giggles, I can say, can you help me rewrite the weakest sections of the business plan? And we'll see what it says. So this is one good way. Usually, a few times I've done this, it'll prompt say, you want me to try to rewrite something. If it thinks you did a great job, then you may not need to. You can even just ask it. It's going to say, let's tackle some of these. It's going to say, this is an area where it could be improved. It's going to give you some feedbacks. Copy that, paste it, put it in your business plan, make it even better. This is pretty fun. I've linked it down in the description below. It's free. Go ahead and try it out. Contact us at support@projectionhub.com if you've got any questions about how to create projections for your business, or if you want us to take a look at your business plan. We would be happy to do that. Have fun and wish you the best of luck. Thanks.